On September 2021 in Sofia, Bulgaria, took place a conference entitled Policymakers and Patients Creating the Change. The theme of this meeting was to address for the first time the challenges of health inequalities in the southeastern region. The event was initiated by the National Patients Organization in collaboration with the European Patients Forum. Among the key speakers and supporters of this initiative were Mrs. Desislava Adanasova, Bulgarian Minister of Health, Dr. Marian Cesarik from the Croatian Ministry of Health, Dr. Andrei Kovachev, Member of European Parliament, and other members of the European Parliament. The conference aimed to openly address health inequalities in Europe and to influence dedicated action among policymakers for curbing severe discrepancies in healthcare throughout the European Union. Selected speakers provided background information and recent data on health inequalities, explored country-specific challenges and good practices, and shared information about the results of the European Union cooperation in terms of health inequalities. The conference concluded with the adoption of a resolution which calls for placing higher priority on health inequalities by European policymakers. The reduction of health inequalities forms a major pillar of the European Union health strategy, Together for Health, and a major element in achieving the goal of inclusive growth of the Europe 2020 strategy. Upon an in-depth evaluation of the conference's workshop sessions, the National Patients Organization elaborated a questionnaire which will be used for further probe the perception of patients across the European Union on health inequalities from their region. The main objective of the survey is to address current, major issues and to outline opportunities for improving the healthcare environment, both within and outside respective healthcare systems. At the end of the second day of the conference Policymakers Creating the Change, several stakeholders addressed their national governments and the European institutions, sending closing messages with respect to health inequalities within the new European Union member states.